The president wants a $2 trillion for the next stimulus package. And at the same time, more senators are coming forward asking for a second stimulus check. I'm confident we'll see a second stimulus check. Are you? Hello everyone, welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion and this is your second stimulus check positive update. I'm very confident we'll see another stimulus check. And by the way, for those of you that are part of my community and you have already subscribed, welcome back and thank you very much. If you're willing to help today, make sure to hit that like button at that video, please. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free and I will bring you daily stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future. So let's get straight to it. Senator Ed Markey just called for another coronavirus monthly stimulus check of up to $2,000 to be given to everyone until the pandemic ends. This is yet another statement made public supporting a second stimulus check. We cannot deny that the news is good and things are looking very optimistic, even if we have to wait a little bit longer to see the next stimulus package bill signed. So the US Senator Ed Markey is calling for monthly stimulus checks to be given to anyone that earns under $120,000 per year and to be continued through the coronavirus pandemic, aiming to help people that are falling behind in rent and help those without work. Similar to some proposals we've seen already, but timing is impeccable. We need more politicians to support this idea, and we know the people are definitely behind the idea of a monthly stimulus check of $2,000. I don't think any of you will decline to take that. Would you let me know down in the comments, please? And also like the video if you want to see another stimulus check. Here's what Markey wrote in the Boston Globe. The coronavirus has exposed many of the social inequities that have long existed in our communities. From disparities in who has access to testing and treatment to who has the ability to work from home, this crisis is a glaring reminder that we have a long way to go in this country when it comes to social and economic justice. And honestly, I think he is correct. We are a long way from social and economic justice, and we're also a long way away from a fully recovered economy. Even before the pandemic, some people were struggling financially, but now it is more obvious than ever. So Senator Markey is joining Kamala Harris and Bernie Sanders in support of the Monthly Crisis Support Act. This is the direct cash payment to Americans that need support during those crises. He also said, and I quote, "Working families and those forced out of their jobs by the coronavirus must be able to trust their government is there for them through the economic downturn." I don't know about trusting the government fully, but for sure the people rely on you now to provide much needed financial support. This proposal will provide $2,000 per month to people that earn under $120,000 a year. Another $2,000 will be provided for up to 3 dependents regardless of their age. So all in all, a family of 5 would make up to $10,000 a month. Sounds great, but highly unlikely, to be honest. We'll see what will happen, but I don't think the Senate and the President will entertain the idea. But the more public support we get for a second stimulus check, the better. It will come to a point that lawmakers will not be able to draft a bill without including another check for the people. That is my personal opinion, of course. What do you think? Can we get another stimulus package bill without a stimulus check included in it? Let me know down in the comments, please. I appreciate you watching this video, and as you know, I will continue to bring you daily stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future, working around the clock for you and bringing my content as soon as physically possible. Thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share as well so other people can see it. Don't forget that down in the description you will see other helpful links to other helpful videos as well. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset to a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.